Hi, I have in front of me here a Scart to RCA adapter. So it's very simple. What we're doing is we're trying to take in a Scart signal, which you can see here on the input side. On the output side, we're trying to convert it over to an RCA signal. So the yellow, of course, will be video, and the red and white here correspond to video right and left, okay? And we see a switch on top, and there, that's simply we're able to specify, is this being used as an output from a box, or is it being used as an input going into a TV, something like that, okay? So it's quite neat there. So on this particular setup, what we've done is, just to demonstrate an RCA cable, most people think it'd be familiar with a Scart. The RCA cables are always like this, okay? So it can just terminate like that. So if we come along here, we'll just look at a set-top box we have here with a satellite feed coming in. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn this over at a 90-degree angle. And you can just see how we're doing this actually. We've taken a Scart output and we've converted it to RCA for the purpose of running the signal over to the TV here. So if I came along and I actually pulled it out, the yellow lead here, we'll see the picture will just disappear. And if we put it back in, the signal's back. And if we came along here, if I pulled out the yellow and the white, it would affect the audio input on it. But as we have the volume turned down on the television for this, it's not really, going to demonstrate much there. So it's just a really, really handy adapter. I mean, there's still a huge demand out there in terms of Scart and RCA. A lot of HDMI has taken over, but this is still a very, very popular product. The other thing about it is that this is a reversible product. It can be used in the opposite direction. So we're describing it here as a Scart to RCA, but we could actually use it as an RCA to Scart. And that's just an interesting point. And with the switch here, we can just flip it over and back. So it's quite a neat product, and it's part of a wider range of Scarts, HDMI, RCA leads, etc. that's found on freetv.ie.